All right, guys, today we're going to talk about two things. The first one's going to be multiplication of a binomial using the FOIL method, and the second one's going to be factoring of a quadratic equation. In both of these, I'm going to be using algebra tiles. So these are my algebra tiles. They're a way to represent units and, well, just different components. So the green is positive and the red is negative. This is my positive one. These are my negative ones. Positive x, because we don't know how long it is, and negative x. And then our squares represent, since it's x on the length and x on the width, x squared. Same with the red one. This one represents negative x squared. All right, so one of the things to remember is when we are multiplying two binomials using our FOIL method, it's almost like we can think of them as the length and the width of a rectangle. So the length and the width, remember, are going to create the area. So that is going to be our goal. We're going to multiply a binomial to another binomial to create a rectangle whose area is represented by a polynomial, a quadratic to be specific. So let's see what that looks like. First one we're going to do is going to be x plus 4 times 2x plus 1. All right, so the x plus 4 is going to represent my length, and the width is going to be 2x plus 1. So let's create those. So x plus 4. So remember what I said, it represents my length. And now, then I'm going to have 2x as my width plus 1. All right, so now we're going to do the first. X times x creates an x squared. All right, x times 1. We're doing our outer now. X times 1. X times 1. I see 4 of those. So remember, our goal is to create a box. And then this box is going to be the area. The area is going to be represented by a polynomial. All right, so let's see. Oh, keep going. So x times x. Now we're doing the inner. All right. Becomes x squared. X times 1 all the way over again. Now we're going to do our last. X times 1. So we know we have 1x again. All right. And then x, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. I see 4 ones because we multiplied 1 by 1 4 times. All right. So now notice, like I said, we created a box. So let's write down all its components so we'll have the area. All right, so I see 2x squareds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 x's, and they're positive, so there's going to put a plus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little squares. So positive because they're all positive. All right, so that polynomial represents the area of this box that we created. Let's try it again. All right, the next one we're going to do is going to be the next one we're going to do is going to be x minus 3 times 2x plus 1.